everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have another Alina Craft design team project to share with you guys, and I wanted to make this project a really simple, easy gift card holder. And it is using the Alina Craft tearaway die. This die set comes with 3 pieces. I only used the top 2, and you basically just run this through and it perforates your paper and you can pull it open. The bottom die works the same way, it's just a little bit bigger and it's shaped differently. I also used this Snowflake oval die set. I only used the 2 stitched ovals to cut my sentiment and also mat it with gold cardstock. I used this pattern paper from the Cute and Cozy Christmas paper pad from Michaels. I want to use it for a Starbucks gift card, but I only had an Amazon gift card right now. Now I've already cut my paper at 8 inches across, 4 inches down, and I also used a double-sided adhesive tape from Alina Craft. So then we're going to go ahead and score in the middle. You can score, or if you'd like, you can just fold it over. We'll basically end up with a 4 by 4 inch gift card holder. So go ahead and fold that over. And next, we're going to go ahead and take our gift card. We're going to go ahead and size it on the right side, because the left side I'm basically going to decorate, and that's going to be actually the front. The opening will be in the back. So we're going to use the gift card basically as a guide so we know where to put our adhesive. And then we're going to take the die and basically I'm going to put my gift card a little bit lower and put my adhesive around it. I don't want it moving around too much in there, so I'm going to keep the adhesive pretty close to where that gift card sits. So we're going to go ahead and use our double-sided tape. But before we do that, let's go ahead and make sure we place the die just a little bit over the gift card. And we're just going to go ahead and center that. So I'm basically just trying to figure out where exactly I'm going to put that die, and then you can just go ahead and tape it with washi tape. There's my washi tape, and just make sure it's not too sticky, just to keep it in place so that it doesn't move when we run it through our die cutting machine. I've already put it through my die cutting machine, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that tape. And as you can see there, it has put the perforations on the paper. So it should easily tear open. But if you're using a thicker paper, what you can do is at the area, you can just, fold a little bit at that perforated area. Okay, and then I went ahead and cut the little pull tab, the little hearts, and it just makes, that little pull tab a little bit more visible so the recipient knows where to tear it open. And I'm going to just put a little bit of wet glue on that little pull area, and I've decided to go ahead and glue on both of the little pieces, just so you can easily see it. It's more visible. And just make sure that dries. And that's on there really well. Okay, so then now we're ready to go ahead and put our gift card in. So we're going to go ahead and put that gift card, backwards, because we want it to face front when it opens, when the recipient opens it. So we're going to go ahead and put our double-sided tape, and this is from Alina Craft. Again, really easy to tear, so you don't even need scissors. And so I'm going to go ahead and put my adhesive, and just make sure you're not putting any adhesive on the perforated area where we ran our dye. Okay, and we're just gonna put this all around the periphery here so that it closes nicely. And I'm gonna put another extra piece close to the gift card so that the gift card doesn't move around. And so now we're ready to close it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the backing, and I actually end up using my scissors because I was kind of having a hard time peeling that off. So there we go. And so just go ahead and put your gift card in there. Make sure it's right in the middle and the adhesive is not on it. It's not on the adhesive, and then go ahead and fold that over and make sure that is burnished so that that adhesive keeps it nice and adhered. And there's just a little excess. I guess I didn't line it up very well. So I just cut that little piece off. And now we're just ready to decorate the front. So I used that oval die, and I've already cut my sentiment here. And I just, used 2 layers, the pattern paper and the gold cardstock. And I'm not going to adhere the sentiment with wet glue right now, because I'm just going to put a little foam adhesive, because I'm going to really pop this off and redo this envelope, because I will tear it open. I just want to show you guys how it works and how it looks. And there you go. You just tear it open really easily, and you see your gift card sticking out there. So the recipient knows to just pull it out, and it works. Yay! I love this die. So it's a great die to have in your stash. So check out Alina Craft, and I will make sure I leave the link in the description box. Go to the store and check it out. It's very inexpensive, and it's a cute little die to have. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked the tutorial and found it helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later.